Welcome to MellowBites.
I'm Varga.
And I'm Deepa.
I love ordering mac and cheese and broccoli and chicken nuggets in the kids' menu.
And I love watching Rachel Ray's 30-minute meals on Food Network. So today we thought of trying Rachel Ray's mac and cheese.
And broccoli and chicken nuggets.
So can we start making mac and cheese?
Yeah. I have some water in the pot and I'm gonna add some oil. And I'm gonna add some salt. Let the water come to a nice boil.
So meanwhile, I'm going to start adding oil into this. I'm adding olive oil.
And add one small onion finely chopped.
Saute until it turns nice, translucent. The onions have turned nice and translucent. Can we add the chicken into it?
Yeah.
Here we have 150 grams of boneless chicken. I'm going to add into this. So I'm going to add some salt and pepper for the chicken.
Mommy, then we will put the pasta in the pot.
The water should come to a nice boil and then you can add macaroni after that. Cook the chicken. Bhargav, that's dangerous. Don't put your hands in the water, okay? This is when you have to be very safe when you cook with your kids. Even though they are very well and mature, still they are naughty. Cook the chicken until it turns nice, juicy and done very well.
Mac and cheese and nuggets, the best meal. Comment down below if you're a mac and cheese lover.
I am.
Hey mom, it's coming to a boil.
You can add that macaroni pasta.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Ow.
Very well done. That's good. See, look at this chicken got cooked. Okay. Now let's take off the chicken in a bowl and keep it aside and start making the cheese sauce. To the same pan, we are going to start making the cheese sauce. Adding 1.5 tablespoon of butter here. Just make sure the butter melts. Once the butter melts, I have 1.5 tablespoon of wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour too. Keep mixing this without any lumps. You can notice the sandy consistency. I have 1.5 cup of milk here, so I'm going to add that here and keep stirring. Macaroni pasta is getting cooked. It's almost there close. So Bhargav is going to
add in some broccoli.
Yeah. You need the broccoli in right consistency, like crunchy, and it should not be overcooked. So we are adding it right before 3 minutes that macaroni is done. This is getting very well thickened. It's time to add
some cheese.
Here we have 1.5 cup of cheddar cheese, and Bhargav is so curious to add that. Bhargav, can you add spice for you?
Yeah.
So here we have chili powder. You can add as much as spice you need for the sauce. I think that will do for you. Okay.
Now
you just go ahead with the spice that your kids love to have. And there's this ingredient, mustard powder. And I'm going to sprinkle some of it. The cheese is melted, it's thick and it's nice in color. I'm going to switch off the flame. Meanwhile, the macaroni pasta and broccoli is being cooked there. So I'm going to get that strained down. Look at the exact time the cheese sauce is ready, the macaroni and broccoli is ready there. I'm going to just strain that. So I'm going to strain out the water and just put it into the cheese sauce. Bhargav, can you go and bring the chicken that we have cooked and kept it aside?
yeah.
Look at the green color of the broccoli, just right color. What are you eating? I think you had a piece of chicken inside your mouth.
It's peanut butter.
I don't believe you. Just show your mouth. It is chicken. This is how kids do. So, do you want to add the chicken inside?
Yeah.
Give it a good mix. Look at this.
It's made in 2 minutes actually.
So mac and cheese with broccoli and chicken is ready in just few minutes. We are going to have this. If you need, you can drizzle some pepper on the top just for the spice. Kids don't prefer that. We are going to transfer it into a nice serving bowl. And Bhargav is ready to gulp it.
Ooh, the sound.
Look at the gooiness.
Looks really satisfying. Looks like...
Do you want to share it with Purna?
No.
No? How can you eat this much, Bhargav? You have to share with it.
I'm a foodie.
You're pretty, I know that. Here we go, mac and cheese with broccoli and chicken. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Let me get you a fork. So Bhargav is going to start eating.
First of all, I need to show everybody the sound.
Wow, that gooey feeling.
Yeah.
Try it out and say,
It's the best mac and cheese in the world.
I know that. So do try it at your home and make your kids enjoy at home.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment below.
Thank you for watching, guys.
See you in the next video. Bye!